Sanibonani bafethu, ngiphinde ngabuya nenye update la about iMadlanga Commission. So iMadlanga Commission namhlanje ibisabheke uKurt Mahlala. And kunezinto azambulile uKurt Mahlala namhlanje engicabanga ukuthi ziyaqhubeka ukusincedisa ukuthi sikwazi ukudweba lesithombe esenzakalayo about ubugebengu obu around amaphoyisa kanye nama businessmen afana noMahlala kanye nabanye. Namhlanje uMahlala uveze something engicabanga ukuthi ibalulekile la, ingabukeka incane but kukhona la ifiki ede khona. Oqala nje uqale wakuveza ukuthi bukhona ubudlelwane anabo with uMajor General uLesitja Sinona, and uze waveza ukuthi ngesikhathi amaphoyisa efika kwakhe ngoDisember 2024 afika athatha into zakhe, athatha kanye namafoni akhe, and then wase ekhuluma noSinona emchazela ukuthi akakwazi kwenza next, akakwazi ukuthola ama-laptop in ukuthi enze a-transfer imali uma ayidinga. Kula khona-ke uSinona wafika wamnikeza imali engango-20,000. So uyabona nje ukuthi imali lana into encane kakhulu ukuthi ungavela unika umuntu 20,000 nje so snacks. And uKurt Mahlala uphinde wakuveza nokuthi uthatha uSinona as ubrother wakhe omdala, not nje ukuthi uyifriend but umbiza ngoGrootman endala. Uzokhumbula nayizolo ukuvezile na kumsibi ukuthi umsibi bekayiGrootman yakhe endala bese efana nobhuti omdala kuye. Now okumele ukwazi ukuthi le 20,000 lena ayiprove ukuthi there was a corruption eyenzeka, because ukubolekana imali singabantu vele siyabolekana, but into ebalekile lana ukuthi lento iyasambulela ukuthi umuntu omkhulu njengoSinona emaphoyiseni beke nama-deal athila wenzayo nomuntu ophenywa ngamaphoyisa, nokuthi i-contract yakhe namaphoyisa i-under investigation, because silindele ukuthi uma kwenzeka into kanjalo umuntu ekuneyinsolo zokuthi uyisigebengu noma kanti wazipruvwanga, but ngenxa yokuthi uyiphoyisa elidila neyigebengu kumele ukuthi bese uyaziqhelisa, not ukuthi siphinde sithole ukuthi wena usubanikeza imali nani. So leyo nto leyo nje kube into enkulu kakhulu, because uthema kayombula uMahlala kwavela nokuthi yena uSinona, uMahlala kanye nomfana kaSinona indodana yakhe bese beplane nokuthi babe namabhizinisi bengene ekuthengeni izindlu ezithile, shuthi kunendlade beyibonile nje ecosta abo 2 to 3 million. So but bathe mabembuza ke uMahlala wawumuntu ongathi uyagoloza ukuphendula ukuthi kwenzakalani ngale deal between uSinona nengane kaSinona kanye naye uMahlala. And iMadlanga Commission ize yasho ukuthi if awusiphenduli kwezinye izinto kuzosifosta ukuthi si-relye kubantu abakhuluma izinto ngawe, kufaka kofakazi asebakhulumile ngaphambili ngawe, because kuyonke into esizama ukuyikhuluma wena uvele uthi cha okuthile ngeke ngikwazi ukukhuluma because kungifaka ebugebengwini or kumosha amacala engibhekane nawo ecourt. So le 20,000 ngicabanga ukuthi ibaluleke kakhulu because isidrawela le picture ukuthi kwenzakalani. Uphinde uMahlala waveza something interesting about uGeneral Sinona kanye naye ubaba umsibi lo ongasekho emhlabeni. But before sifika lapho ngifuna nje sike siye nokuthi uMahlala uphinde waveza nokuthi there was a raid ekade khona, and uyena wayemtshela ukuthi okay kwenzeke kanje. But before siqhubeka ngifuna nje ubuke nansi video uMahlala bezama ukumbonisa ukuthi if awuvumi ukuthi kwenzeke u1 no2 sizodinga ukuthi sirely kufakazi kubantu asebafakazile ngawe ngaphambili.
Not to give your side of the story, having been invited to come here. The only evidence we have as the commission is the evidence of those people who implicate you. But you are within your rights to say, I assert my privilege. But I have serious difficulty with you saying, I can't tell you whether I know General Sinona or not, and whether I met him at a wedding or not, when nothing about the wedding is the subject matter of any criminal investigation. If it's background information, and I'm sure the investigators, when they first spoke to you, they wanted background information. Do you know this person? How do you know the person? But that has nothing to do with whether you are involved in criminal activity with him. It's simply background information to understand whether they should even ask you any further questions about the person. Because if you say, I don't know the person, then that's the end of the inquiry. So you can imagine that when they first engage with you, they will start with, do you know this person? How do you know this person? Before they get to the substance of what they want to ask you about. So it will make our job very difficult if the entire subject matter is off the table, because To be honest with you, most of the questions that I intended to ask you, I know that they touch on issues that you intend to assert privilege on. But it can be that in respect of everything, you assert privilege, because then we're not going to make any progress. I had understood you that you accepted that in relation to General Sibia, how you knew him. You even testified about the 4 occasions, including the party at his house and the engagement party. So if you could answer those questions, I'm not sure why in relation to General Senona you cannot answer the same questions. So I would expect that the question that was asked, you will answer it, because answering it 35 rights or your privilege arising from the Commissions Act and the regulations.
Into engiyibone ibalekile namhlanje wazi indaba yokuthi kuvele igama lika Shadrack Sibiya uGeneral Shadrack Sibiya ukuthi kunabantu abambhadalayo ababhadala imali kuye. And umbuzo omkhulu ke manje ukuthi umuntu oyiphoyisa osebenzela ugovernment kuba kanjani ukuthi kube khona abantu ababhadala imali kuye. uMatlala kuphikile wathi yena akabhadala imali kuye, but abantu abafakazile ngaphambili bake bakuveza ukuthi uMatlala naye ubhadala imali khona lapha ku Shadrack Sibiya. And uzokhumbula ubufakazi buka Witness C owafika kuMadlanga Commission ethi uSibiya ngesikhathi qeda kushona ubaba uMsibi, wafika uSibiya ekhuluma noMatlala ethi izandla ziyagezana, okusho ukuthi if uyanginakekela nami ngizokunakekela. After lapho kwatholakala ukuthi sekuphuma imali kuMatlala ziya kuGeneral Sibiya. But uMatlala yena uyiphikile lento namhlanje wathi cha angikaze mina ngimbhadale, but bakhona abantu ababhadalayo. Inkinga enkulu ime sekuthenini ke manje uMatlala akafuna ukuveza ukuthi obani labantu ababhadalayo nokuthi babhadala ini kuSibiya, because uSibiya uyiphoyisa elisebenzela uhulumeni, okusho ukuthi uma ekuvikela kumele kube into yamahala leyo, because awukwazi ukubhadalela ukuthi iphoyisa liyakuvikela. Okusho ukuthi leyo nto leyo manje isenzela ukuthi ke sizicabangele ukuthi ingabe labantu ababhadalayo babhadala malini and babhadala nini, nokuthi yini le abayitholayo uma sebebhadele in return. And uzokhumbula eSouth Africa, ngisho ukuthi kunjalo, but uzokhumbula eSouth Africa sinenkinga yama protection fee, ukuthi kunabantu ababhadalwa for ukuthi bagcine usafe, especially ku Cape Town. Ke ngike ngabona ukuthi inkinga njengathi iyandike kakhulu. So asazi ukuthi yini, but uMatlala bembuza uveza into yokuthi if ngiyakhuluma kuzofana nokuthi nami ngizifaka ejele, because nami yangithinta indaba yokubhadala kwabantu abathile lapha. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ukubakhipha amagama labo bantu iMadlanga Commission kuzomela ibizo oyi-1 wabo akazochaza ukuthi yini la ibhadalayo kubaba uSibiya. So lento lena isdrawela ipicture enkulu ukuthi kahle kahle lana ideep lento le, and ukuba deep kwayo asazi, because uMatlala usibamba nje ngelithi akafuna ukuzifaka ebugebengwini, akafuna ukuzithola esephendula ecourt, ephendula ukuthi obani abatheni kanjalo kanjalo. So I thought interesting kakhulu lento le, ngifuna nje uyibuke le video laba zama ukumgrilla khona uMatlala ukuthi makakhuluma ukuthi kwenzakalani, but kwabonakala ukuthi ayobamba idindi umfoka uMatlala akafuna ukulikhipha igama, because uyazi ukuthi ngale mumva ziyakhala. Uma ngathi uyasikhipha uyikhipha ama secret athile angazithola sezimkhalela kwayena, because kwezinye izinto kuyabonakala ukuthi involved. That's why I look at ngizozi implicate uma ngikhuluma ngento ethile.
The other people that were paying General Sibiya, or who did you tell General Mkhwanazi that other people are paying money to General Sibiya? And that's the question you're refusing to answer. And you say, yes, they are, but I don't want to mention. And that's why I'm saying my takeaway from that is the issue is not you incriminating yourself. You've already admitted that to Commissioner Baloyi. The issue seems to me is you don't want to criminate those people that you know are allegedly giving money to General Sibiya. That's how I see it. And I don't speak for my co-commissioners.
Uphinde wakuveza uMatlala nokuthi uke waba ne-meeting noMkhwanazi. Lokho uMkhwanazi uke washo ukuthi useke wadibana noMatlala before KZN eMhlanga. And uthi le meeting yakhona yayenziwe uBhekicele ukuthi badibane. And so uzokhumbula ukuthi noMkhwanazi ke wakuveza ukuthi wayirecorda nokuyirecorda yonke lenkulumo le. Amaloya kaMatlala ke into engike ngayibona ukuthi abafuna ukukhuluma ukuthi bekwenzakalani kula meeting, because abazi ukuthi ingabe uMkhwanazi unayo ngempela ne-recording or uyabathusa, because if ikhona that means abakwazi ukukhuluma manga, and if ayikho it means bangakwazi ukutwist istory kube ukuthi uMkhwanazi ukhuluma iside lakhe kanye noMatlala ukhuluma iside lakhe. But if i-recording ikhona okusho ukuthi ziyakhala, kumele uMatlala ayibamba angakhulumi lutho, because ukukhuluma kusho ukuthi kumele akhulume iqiniso, and iqiniso lifaka abantu abathile enkingeni. Kula kuvele khona ke nokuthi uSibiya kunabantu abambhadalayo, because kusho ukuthi uMkhwanazi ufike wabuza lapha kuMatlala ukuthi ithini into yokungusibiya uMatlala kwakhuluma. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi enye into emenze akhulume is because wayefuna ukusoftenish umkhwanazi ukuthi amncede ngalento zama tender akhe, because one of the reasons ezenza bedibane laphana ku emhlanga, it was because babefuna ukuthi uMatlala kusho ukuthi wayebhekane nezinkinga ezithile ngethenda lakhe, so wayefuna ukuthi umkhwanazi ancede la enganceda khona. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi enye information wayekhipha because wayefuna ukuthi izinto zithi ukuba easy for yena. So yonke lento lena nje interesting because isidwebela lesithombe ukuthi lento ijule kanjani, but ngiyafuna ukusho ukuthi uMatlala akafuna ukuyidedela information eningi, and uqeqeshekile indlela engimbona ngakhona because useyazi manje ukuthi yini engamfaka enkingeni, uyazi nokuthi yini engake emfaka enkingeni. I'm sure uyabona naseyindabeni ukuthi akukho into etrendayo enkulu ekhulunywa uMatlala because uyazibamba amaloya akhe most of the time athule kukhuluma yena uMatlala, but uyakwazi ukubona ukuthi okay le into izongifaka enkingeni, le izongifaka enkingeni. And enye into interesting about yonke lento amahlala zathi indlela lamaloya especially le lawyer lomlungu leli eli-interested ngakhona kule nto lena, uyabona ukuthi ungazi ukuthi kuningi elikuvikelayo kuMatlala okungenzeka ukuthi linako nalo liyangena kwintweni ezithile because kuyabonakala ukuthi u-interested kakhulu loya mama loyana ekuvikeleni uMatlala nendlela engakhona. And angazi mhlawumbe ukubona kwami, but indlela engibabona ngayo abukho ubudlelwano obu-right between ilwele kaMatlala kanye noMatlala. Instead baditshaniswe ukuthi banama-common interest kunento eyodwa kumele beyivikele bebonke, but-ke ukucabanga kwami angisho ukuthi kunjalo, and because anginayo iproof yaleyo nto leyo ukuthi iyenzeka ngempela o kanjani. If ubuke wazofika lana kusho ukuthi ivideo uyi-enjoyile, ngiyacela ukuthi ungakhohlwa ukungifollowisha nokulike, uphinde usubscribe if ungibukela ku-YouTube. Masiphinde sibonane, ngifuna nje ukwenza enye video about uWitness C, sike sibone kahle le imali zikaSibiya ukuthi kahle bezihamba kanjani.